Material prosperity, meaning money, fancy homes, fancy cars. No matter how much we run after these things, they cannot give us happiness if we have not developed inner personality. For our inner personality growth, we need to practice self-restraint as our scriptures advise us. But we love our freedom and we do not like any restrictions or restraints. So we as human beings will do one of the two things. Either we'll completely avoid spiritual practices that elevate our inner being, or we'll just follow them blindly without proper understanding and deny ourselves of all the enjoyments. This is called suppression and it leads to inner degradation of ourselves.
By reading, listening, and understanding the essence of the scriptures, by taking guidance from the Guru and then doing deep contemplation, removing all doubts and developing the right understanding of laws governing our personality, we will be inspired to live a more noble life. This method is called sublimation. It helps build our inner personality.
So we understood the difference between suppression and sublimation. As we carry out our lives towards our life goal of trying to achieve happiness, we are always faced with two paths. Our scriptures and Vedanta has done an analysis on it. Now there are two paths for any action. The first is the path of pleasant and the second is the path of good, which is called the Shreyas. The first is called prayers. Now let's watch a short video from Pujya Gurudev Swami Chinmayananda on the topic of Shreyas.
That what is the way by which we can gain? The student was asking. Yet Shreya. What is the Shreya path? Now, Shreyas in English, the only translation that you can give is prosperity. But that prosperity of the English word is not the significance of the word Shreya. Prosperity in the world today, in the present system of economic system in which we are living, when they say about prosperity, means you get more than others, isn't it? The total number of units of money in circulation remaining the same, if you want to become more prosperous than others, your prosperity must bring about more poverty, isn't it? Because you must get more units of wealth. And where it will come? From others who have already got it. So your prosperity is at the expense of the sorrows and poverty of others. So the word prosperity of the modern system, modern times, is not the right meaning of Shreyas. Shreyas is that which is raising the total standard of living of both the parties, not only of the Pandavas, but our enemy lines also. The whole national upheaval, national upliftment, the entire standard of living, how it can be raised equally. And that is called Shreyas.
Now let's look at differences between prayers, the path of pleasant, and Shreyas, the path of good. Prayers is like cutting corners. Shreyas is taking time to do it right. Prayers is guided by sense organs and superficial knowledge. Shreyas is guided by subtle intellect and deeper understanding. Prayers, of course, often gives instant gratification, whereas Shreyas is slow to give results and tough in the beginning. Prayers often leads to our devolution. Shreyas leads to evolution of ourselves. Prayers is denounced by all the religions. Shreyas is recommended by all the religions. Prayers often leads to material gain. Shreyas whereas leads to self-purification.